We're about to change out the new tank for the old one. This one can be 5 gallons, and that one only gives barely 2, and that slashes. And this one won't, but it'll be harder to maneuver too. So, take the good with the bad, I guess. So how are you gonna drain it?
Well, there's some air bubbles coming around. No, it's not. There's still like a gallon in there, almost.
I still have a lot of gas in it. So maybe you can't do it right now.
Wow, this thing's all dusty.
Yeah. From Arizona.
Here's your
What?
pepper.
That's where it went.
Somebody kicked it up in here.
How the hell did it do that? Did you find my bra too? I was gonna grab my GoPro stand, but I think you meshed it with everything. We'll see how this lid got wanky and it wouldn't close all the way.
Yeah.
It stretched out.
So I could go this way with it. So it'd be closer to the door.
Yeah, that'd be better, wouldn't it?
But you won't be able to see your fuel thing real easy at all. See, if you go this way.
How are you going to be able to get to it?
Get to what?
Be able to put the fuel in when you're at the gas station.
Lifting up the, you're going to have to lift these up. Yeah, you have to lift up this end cushion. You're going to have to lift that up. And brace it up with a board or something.
That's going to be a new project, right?
No. No, you just lift up a cushion, and you brace it up somehow, and you put the fuel in, and you put the cushion back on. That's it. But I don't like working with this shit when it's cold, because I can't wear gloves. So this should be fine. Alright.
So you're going to clamp the gas line so it doesn't leak all over?
Yep.
Before you remove the gas line?
Ready?
Gotta torch it?
Yeah.
Warm it up.
Because it's so cold out here. And the hose, this is thicker. So we're just gonna warm it up a little bit. Not really melt it. Yeah, it should go right on. A little spit on it. Alrighty.
Does it work? Oh. Got all happy.
Just gonna give it a little slicey dice. Mm-hmm. Maybe I should have done this in the garage and then brought it out here and assembled it.
Yeah. That might be a better idea.
Well, we're here now. Wait till I get my barndinium built. Let's see if I can get just a little bit more.
You got it on?
Yeah. Cold weather's fucking with me big time. Yeah, I got 2 nipples. 2's good for me. I want to record every fucking second of this because it's boring as fuck.
Okay.
Don't, just wait.
Okay, and that was the last of the video footage from him putting in the gas tank. But it's there. You just have to take my word for it. We got it all installed. Everything's fine. So yeah. All right, let's move on to my stay at the hospital. Hospital? What? You have to stay tuned to figure it out, people.
Yeah, I'll hang it on the back. I guess leave it on. Just skip it.
I'm being
You
admitted.
know what? I can't even hang it on.
Fuck me, make me feel better. It zapped me back to life. I got so sick. I have a lot of fluid on my whole body. And I got the pneumonia and the fluid. And they had to zap my heart because my heartbeat was too high. Yeah. But I'm better now. For now. Okay, here's my breakfast. Peaches, yogurt, some milk for cereal, my hot water for my tea, and I ordered a sausage. Look at that. Big old plate for a tiny little sausage. I'm back here at U of M again. Will they ever let me out? Boy, oh boy, I get myself into all kind of messes. Chicken sandwich, sweet potatoes, 2 things of broccoli, chocolate cake, and tea for dinner. I need all the greens so I can get my numbers, my INR numbers down. Okay. Okay. Here's my breakfast for this morning. My banana. Finally got a banana. My bacon. They only want to give me 1 slice. I'm like, I want my 2 slices. It says 2 slices. Not recommended. I don't care. I want my 2 slices of bacon. Yep. Nice and greasy. But it's good. It has flavor. I'm trying to get out of here. I'm trying to bust my way out of here. Today's the 26th. I gotta bust my way out of here. I'm going home today. If not, I'm walking. They ain't gonna keep me here for no reason. I'm getting out of here just waiting for the stupid cardiology doctors to come in. They're worried about my water pill. Want to make sure I lose the water. Good enough with the water pill. Whatever, get me out of here. I don't care. Lunch. Supposed to be getting released today. Cross your fingers up, so God, I gotta get released today. Snowflakes are getting bigger. Good grief. Okay, this would be a good time to bust me out of the hospital, people. Come on, someone send Hank or somebody. Tony? Where's Tony? I need someone to come get me out of the hospital. Alright. Well, we'll see you in the next video. Tina's the Outsiders out.